So I invite you to join me here now in closing your outer eyes, your worldly eyes, if it is comfortable for you to do so. Feel the vibration of the music, these magnificent musicians. And even as you close your outer eyes, I invite you to open that inner eye of faith. The faith that sees beyond appearances. The faith that draws from the invisible into the manifest. Not as our egos might like it, but from the center that is the spirit, the divinity, the truth, and the love that is our very nature. And so let us still, if only for this time, any thoughts of lack or limitation about ourselves, about the world we live in, and come home to the place that already knows that love, that the fullness of abundance that eternal wisdom, that everything you and we need is already here available at the deepest level of our being. And we know that not through words, but as we join together now in the silence. In the silence, even if your mind wasn't completely silent, in the spaces in between your thoughts, love shines forth. In the opening of your mind to say maybe this old thought of lack and limitation isn't 100% true. Divine ideas are filling you up with their juicy goodness. As you begin to gently open your outer eyes, may you find that they are informed by the inner eye of faith that knows all good is already here within you, among us. So even as you heard sung earlier that we do it together, as you begin to open your eyes, maybe you might courageously bring your gaze to someone else in this room, beholding this truth of abundance and love, goodness for them as well. Where two or more are gathered, here I am. And so it is.